So today I want to do a quick review of the spark plug tester. The brand did compensate me for this review, but let's go ahead and have a look. So if you've been struggling with hard starts or rough idling or just bad fuel economy, it might be time to check your spark plugs, and this spark plug tester makes it really quick and easy to do that. This tool lets you instantly check if your spark plugs are good or bad, so you're not just guessing what's wrong with your engine. It does have dual testing slots, which means you can test two spark plugs at the same time, compare their performance, and spot weak or failing plugs really quick. Setup is really simple. You just insert your spark plugs, connect the power, adjust the frequency, and check the spark. It's really that easy. It simulates real engine conditions with an adjustable 0 to 6,000 RPM range. So the higher the RPM, the stronger the spark, so you get an accurate real-world test every time. It is built with heat-resistant ABS material, and it's designed for a 12-volt gasoline engine, so it works with like 99% of cars and motorcycles on the market. So with this little handy tool, you can stop the guesswork and diagnose spark plug issues really fast, and you can keep your engine running smoothly with this must-have spark plug tester. So I hope this helps you out, and I hope this review can help you too.